Hello guys, welcome to Sagimer's YouTube. Please sub and like. I'm going to shout out to all my subscribers, and you're going to chat. I'm going to shout out to my big YouTuber. There's something, Okay, let's go. Let's read their names in this game. Okay, Sabrina named Melody. Oh my God. Sabrina named Melody. Oh my God, Sabrina is Melody. Oh my God. I'm going to rate 9/10. Pasikat na ni. Uy. Boxer, uy. Tsaka na, shark. Live shark. Tsaka na. Nabuang man ang bacon hurl, uy. Kaya si Itom. Itom ka na sa Itom kong iyo, guys. Yung bumunaw. Naunta si Dora o ni pili o niya. Milbis Dora. Iba na nato inalalaki kay mag-shit di ay siya. Okay, gusto ning lalaki. Oh, tanaw, tignan niyo guys. Wait, I'm shut it. Tanawan lalaki boy. Tanawa day. Tanawa day. Tanawa day. Tanawa day. Tanawan lalaki. Dayawi. Okay, let's go. Our first round, I'm going to be innocent. Pisti man ni, uy. Okay, let's go. Ito murder ka, day. Okay. Let's see kung itong good ang murder. Nag-uyab man to, uy. Check ka na, murder man yung bacon, girl. Wala, murder ang itom. Tsaka na. Tsaka na. Tsaka na. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Piece of big shit. Pisti man ni si chat. Uy, di man ko chat. Naya, uy. Nay, sabi kay magpatyun mo ako, don't kill me cause I'm literally so upset. Meow, literally. Okay. Bacon murder ka, day. Don't kill me like this, okay? Tsaka na, bago pa ka nagkalaong ayak. Okay, sige ka at ano yung pusil or yung murder? Waman niya kuan. Aw, kuan, sheriff. Sheriff, no? Innocent wins. Innocent ako, yay. Pasikat man ni si Dora. Oy, sa Milbis ba? Milbis, Dora. Ay, sa facility, research facility. Research facility. Tsaka na. Man tong lalaki. Ay, naglulo man siya ng lalaki. Okay. Doon sa man pagka lalaki. Okay. Let me just try this trend. Oh my God, di ko kabalo. Tsaka na. Second round, na innocent nun ta. Uy, permi, tsaka na. Nako. Sige, scan ako, day. Pinky up. Okay, wala may scan. Dito si Uy. Hello? Ang second round ko ganun. Mumatay na ka. Okay, let's teleport. Bro, let's teleport. We're now teleported. Okay. Nay agyan dire. Nay. Murder ka no. Murder ka no, day. Tsaka na. Okay, let's go. Granny. Ito granny, uy. Tsaka na. Aha naman to, uy. Aha naman to, uy. Maano itong itom di. Ay! Sa itom man mo, uy. Dili man si itom, day. Hala, uy, murder man to, uy. Midnight ka to, pupusilin pa yung kusa. Okay, let's go. Oh my God, let me find the gun. Oh my God, tsaka na. Ay, pasikat. Di ko kakuan, oy. Pasikat man na, oy. Di ka kaon. Pasikat man ni, oy. Murder, oh. Pasikat, oy. Pasikat. Sid ako na murder ka, day. Tsaka na, ya speed sa baya ito. Akala niya hindi niya ako matatalo. Ay! Talo pa rin ako niya. Pasikat ng to, oy. Yeah. Okay, let's rate their names. Okay. Kat, 2764300. Abi ko 67. Uy, malawag man ko 67. Ikaw. Out 9/10. Okay. Impani 3178 VC62. Gabi na magpangano. May kay bayho. Uy, tas may kagapan yung pero way bayho. Ew, yikes. Oh my god, let's go to the spectate. Ew, let's go. Murder man ni si kuan oy ini na babae murder pasikat. Ano teleport man siya oy, speed man siya. Wala is tsaka no. 119 IQ man ni oy. Okay, let's go. Go there. I told you go there, bro. What do you mean? I told you over there because it's very high in there. It's for everywhere. Tsaka na. Kada mo yung coins di man ko ay full of bugs na siya kakuha. Yeah, di si Prince. Tsaka na. Man to, uy. Speed man eh. Teleport na po, uy. Tsaka na. Tsaka na. Yay! Innocent wins. Okay, innocent wins, guys. Done na. Okay, let's go to the factory. Yay! Sikat man si Inom. Okay. Ahan na to. Ahan naman to. Pasikat man di ayo boy. Okay. Hi. Okay, let me check it. Hello, itom. Sa many, uy. Let me go there. Okay. Tsaka na. Premium man kung innocent day. Uy, pasikat man si Chat o si Nikki. Pabida na pa do. Pag upagani na round, patay na dayon. I know she's murder cause I know Nikki is smart and he not make me a murderer. Pisti lalagat. Pistilaw. Tsaka naman oy. Okay. Goodbye. Okay, wait. Goodbye to my video. I hope you like and sub to my video. Please sub. I will shout out if you sub and like. Okay. Bye.